In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your chat backup not working or stuck on WhatsApp. Now this can be due to many reasons. One of them might be that your WhatsApp is not up to date. Now to check that, open up your app store and then just search WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp and see if it's been updated or not. If you have an update available, just click on update and then your WhatsApp will get updated. And if that's not the problem, you might want to check your Google Drive storage. If that is full, it also might not be backed up. Now what you might want to do is just open up your WhatsApp and go to the settings section on the bottom right. After you do so, go to the chat section, and under chat section you'll see chat backup. Now go there and then you will see if your chat is backing up or not. Now here you can see on auto backup and check if it's off. Try to make your backup auto. Now here you can choose if your backup includes videos or not. Also you might want to check if your internet is working correctly, because if your internet is not working correctly, or if you're on cellular data, your WhatsApp might not get backed up. And that is all for the video, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next videos. That is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.